In this video, we are going to discuss about the locomotion and movement. What is locomotion? It is a change in position of entire body from one place to another place. And what is movement? It is the displacement of body parts but no change in position. All locomotions are movement, but all movements are not locomotions. Human muscles cause locomotion as well as movement. If you take the example of paramecium and hydra, in paramecium, here it has cilia for movement and the oropharynx, that is the cilia present in the mouth of paramecium, helps in the movement of food, and cilia across the body help in locomotion. Oropharynx is also known as cytopharynx. In hydra, it has tentacles. These tentacles also help in catching the food. If you come to amoeba, it moves by using pseudopodia, and in human, movement is caused by the muscles. Like this, locomotory structures in each and every organism vary due to habitat and demand of the situation. Why do we have locomotion? Locomotion is important for each and every work, that is, in search of food, shelter, mate, suitable breeding grounds, favorable climatic conditions, and to escape from enemies and predators. Let us discuss about the movement. Types of movement. We have two types of movement: non-muscular movement and muscular movement. In non-muscular movement, we have ciliary movement and pseudopodial movement. Pseudopodial movement is also known as amoeboid movement. In human, we can find the ciliary movement also. It is in fallopian tube and in respiratory tract for the movement of mucus and dust particles. Pseudopodial movement. This type of movement is also shown by human. Some of the cells of human body perform this pseudopodial movement, that is macrophage and WBCs. Let's talk about the muscular movement. We have three types of muscles: skeletal muscles, cardiac muscles, and visceral muscles. All these muscles leads to movement, but maximum movement is done by skeletal muscles. And skeletal muscles are also responsible for locomotion. Ciliary movement is caused by tissue which are lined by ciliated epithelium. The movement of cilia in trachea help in removing of dust particles and some of the foreign substances inhaled along with the atmospheric air. People who smokes a lot, their cilia get damaged, so a lot of dust particles go inside their lungs. Passage of ova through reproductive tract is also facilitated by ciliary movement, whereas movement of limbs, jaws, tongue, etc. require muscular movement. Let's start with muscles. Muscles are mesodermal in origin. 40 to 50% of our body weight is our muscle. Muscles have the property of contract and relax, and they also show excitability. It has property of elasticity. Basically, movement is just a joint action of neural system, muscles and skeletal system. Let's start with the skeletal muscles. Skeletal muscles are the voluntary muscles because they are under our will, and they are also known as striated muscles because they have light and dark bands. Because they are attached to the bones, that's why they are known as skeletal muscles. Apart from this, tongue is also a skeletal muscle. Upper one third of esophagus and in the sphincter in body wall is made up of skeletal muscles. It is voluntary, that is under our control. That is, whenever we want, we can move our hands and legs. It has striations, that is, alternative light and dark bands are present. And these bands are made up of contractile proteins. Let us discuss the skeletal muscle's structure or structure of skeletal muscle. Muscle is basically made up of small muscle bundles, also known as muscle fascicles. This is the TS of skeletal muscle. In between muscle bundle and muscle fascicles, connective tissue is present that holds all the muscle bundles. And the tissue that holds all the muscle bundles together is known as areolar connective tissue. Inside the muscle bundles, we have small muscle cells, muscle fibers. And muscles are usually cylindrical in nature. Inside the muscle fiber, we have myofibrils, structure of muscle fiber. It is cylindrical in shape. It has a special plasma membrane known as sarcolemma, and cytoplasm is called sarcoplasm. It has a number of nucleus at the peripheral region, and it shows syncytium condition. It is a condition where one cell has been modified or formed by fusion of many number of cells, and all nuclei also come under that one cell, lie at the peripheral region. And here, sarcolemma is invaginated to form T-tubules. Inside our skeletal muscles, myofibrils are present. These myofibrils has light and dark bands. Alternatively, if the information through neuron sends to the myofibrils, then only the myofibrils or muscles get contract.